What is the cost of a major service on a Polo GTI? Let's find out.
And I'll reveal what I paid at the end of this video.
I have reached 120,000 kilometers, which means it's major service time. Now that is daunting because all these things can cost a ridiculous amount of money. So let's find out what a really good friend, a phenomenal service department, and guys that I actually trust with my car will charge me today.
So what does a major service actually entail? Well, we're not just replacing the oil in the service. It'll include the engine oil, oil filter, air filter, cabin filter, spark plugs, brake fluid test, DSG or transmission oil, coolant check, full diagnostics, safety inspection on brakes, suspension, tires, bushings, you name it, and it sounds ridiculously expensive.
First is the engine oil. Over time, oil breaks down from the heat and friction, which means it can't protect the engine the way it should. So fresh oil restores lubrication, keeps temperatures down, and prevents long-term wear. Then we replace the oil filter. As the engine runs, tiny metal particles and carbon build up. The oil filter's job is to trap all of that. A clean filter means clean oil circulating through the engine. The cost of both of those, new oil and a new oil filter, 805 Rand, obviously excluding the labor. Next up, the air filter. Your engine needs a precise balance of air and fuel to run efficiently. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, which reduces performance and increases fuel consumption. Swapping it out keeps the GTI breathing properly. The cost of that, 345 Rand. We also replaced the cabin filter. The cost of this, 299 Rand. Next, importantly, we change the spark plugs. These ignite the air-fuel mixture. When they degrade, you get misfires, rough idling, and poor fuel economy. Keeping them healthy ensures smooth and efficient combustion. The price of these, not cheap, 1,645 Rand and 65 cents, obviously for 4. Next, we are testing the brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which lowers its boiling point and reduces braking performance. Fresh brake fluid keeps your stopping power consistent and safe. In my case, there's no need to change the brake fluid at this point. And then we do a full vehicle inspection. We check the coolant levels, which are still fine, brake pads, suspension components, belts, hoses, anything and everything. Basically making sure nothing is worn, cracked, or about to fail. On inspection, the front brake pads as well as the discs need to be replaced. The cost of that, about 6,000 Rand. Not to mention a couple other things that the mechanics mentioned are cracked, worn, and that I will need to replace soon. The total cost then for the labor for the service was 1,150 Rand. And the total cost of the service, 4,284 Rand and 90 cents. A quick test drive and clean, and the Polo GTI is ready to hit the road again.